In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this. Alright, this video will be a review of the Sun Joe 15 amp chipper shredder. It has a 2-year warranty on it. There's the paperwork. Packaged decently. Like the wheels and tires. A bar. And that's it for the unboxing. So here's the instructions. So alright, a couple of 1/2-inch nuts for the wheels. Okay, so it slides down over this right here, and then there's a bolt that goes through right here. And then theory. There's the wrench it comes with. Hex head wrench. And I guess you use a hex head wrench on a Phillips screw. Okay. And a warning about using the correct extension cord. This draws a lot of amps, so your average extension cord's not going to work out too well for it. You need a heavy gauge one. So as you can see, I just put the shredder in my little lawn trailer here. Then I can go dump it out into the flower beds as needed. All that wood you saw sitting here earlier took me, I don't know, 20 minutes to do that to it. So definitely like that. Definitely like it.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Am I recording?
Yep.